everyone, it's Amanda from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and today I'm just going to be making, as part of my hashtag 100 things, some cute gift tags. I'm going to be making various things, and what you can do is you can make them in bulk and then you can parcel them up for your craft fairs, or you can use them for your own purposes. You know, you don't have to sell them. You can add them to a gift. There's an idea. You can swap them, you can do what you want with them, and this set is so much fun. I think this is going to be a big seller this time around, and it's called The Signs of Santa, and we've got these cute characters. We've got the DSP to match. I've been hacking into mine already. So we've got the characters here as well. Now you can get dies. I've fussy cut mine. Okay, so there you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to use that, and I'm also going to use this one, which is called Candy Cane Season. It's got loads of different elements on, and I especially like these snowflakes here. So that's what I'm using. Now I have pre-cut a load of tags, and I've used my tag topper punch, and this is real red, and I've just literally cut the cardstock into 2-inch strips down the length, and then cut them at 4 and then punch them, and then the other side is slightly smaller. You know, I just cut 2-inch strips and then I just punch away. I do use this one, and I know that if you cut it 2-inch wide it will fit in there perfectly. Okay, and then for some little white cardstock I just measure however long you've got your tag. I'm not going to give you exact measurements because you might want yours longer, but whatever the distance is from the bottom of that hole there to there, measure that and then knock off 1/4 inch, and then this is 2 inches, so you want it 1 3/4. Okay, so this one for example is 1 3/4 by 3 1/4. Okay, so that it fits nicely in there. Right, so what we're going to do, that's as far as I've planned. The rest of it isn't planned. So I'm going to do various things, I think. First of all, I'm going to, and this may seem strange to go with the real red, I'm getting Coastal Cabana. And the reason I've picked that is because I've been prompted by the DSP, and if you look at the snowflakes here, it is Coastal Cabana. Now if you look in your catalogue and you look where it advertises the DSPs, it will tell you what colours are in your DSP, so then you can mimic it when you're making whatever you're making. So I'm going to use the snowflakes here and just stamp a couple. I'll do a couple of different designs so you can see what I mean. So let's have a look at that. So if I just stamp there, and maybe there, yeah, that's it. Yeah, I think that's just about it. And then that one will do there and there. Okay, lovely jubbly, nice and easy. Now in this set you've got all the to and from, and we've got do not open until Christmas. Might use those on a different one. So let's have a look. I'm going to now actually just stick that. I'm going to make 2 at once, and then I'll probably go away and make some more before I upload my video, and I'll have pictures of them all on my blog. So if you nip over to scrimpingmommy.co.uk, you can have a look at the different ideas that I've come up with for these little tags, and I'll do a few different ones. Okay. Right, so I'm just layering those on there with some wet glue, making sure it's nice and central. These are so easy. Anybody can make these, as long as you've got, you know, the things that match nicely, you won't have a problem. Now what I've done, you can stamp all of these out, cut them out, colour them in with your stamping blends, your watercolours, your Stampin' Right markers. I wanted something a little bit quicker today to show you. So what I've done is I have cut some of the characters out of the DSP. How easy is that? I don't even have to stamp or colour. It's there, it's done. Took me all of about 10 minutes to cut them out, if that. So all I have to do now is get some dimensionals and start and decorate these tags. And this is where I have fun with crafting. I love decorating things. It's my favourite part. And you don't have to be the world's best crafter to have fun creating. So I'm going to stick Mrs. Claus. I think I'll stick her there. No, I'm covering my doodads up now. I'll put her there. Okay, there she is. Now that's cool already. And then you could stamp the to and from. Little stamp there. I could put it there. But what I've done is I've made these. And these are awesome. I'm going to be using these on all of my Christmas crafting. Don't know if you can see, but it's like it says official seal of the North Pole. And I've punched that out. I've stamped it in Poppy Parade. Then I've punched it out with my 1 3/8 scallop circle. And then I've punched out Poppy Parade with a 1.5 inch circle and laid it on. And I'm going to be putting these on my envelopes of my Christmas cards. I'm going to be putting them everywhere. I'm going to be making like a billion of these. Love them. So what I'm going to do with that, I've pre-made a bunch of them already. I'm going to stick that on here. And I'm going to stick it on the top corner like so. I want the north pointing north, don't I? And there we go, we've got one made already. How easy is that? You can't get any easier than that. Then we've got a huge selection of Christmassy ribbons. This one is Poppy Parade. That's a woven one. That's slightly thicker. What's this one? This one's Poppy... Is this Poppy Parade as well? Yeah, Poppy Parade. That's like a stripy one. I think I might have that. I think I like that. And then that's the satin. That's a bit fancy, that one. That's the red satin one. I think I'll have this one. So I'll cut myself a length of this. And then we will get on and make another one. Because it's so simple. There we go. Do I do it front to back or back to front? I can never remember. Okay. Get in. Front to back. There you go. So push it in at the front. And then if you loop it over that way, you'll have your nice neat bit there. Okay, just trim those off. Trim. We've got one tag done in minutes. Now we do also have these little Christmassy paper clips, which are quite cool. So, you know, I mean, you can add those even for a little bit of extra decoration if you like. Let's have a look. Well, I thought you might be able to. Let's have a look. I have these ideas. Oh, yeah, look at that. How cool is that? With your little paper clip. Am I even in shot? I have no idea if I'm in shot. With your little Christmassy paper clip there. And there you've got a tag. Now, what you can do is on the back, add your to and from. You could add some more. You could put another panel on like that and stamp your to and from. And there's one idea. Right, let's quickly make another one. Let's have a look. I'm having fun here. Let's see if I can get my to and from. How big is it? Am I going to be able to see it? That is quite small. Let's have a look. For you. I like that. We'll have for you. So I'm using the two stamp sets in tandem. I think they complement each other nicely. I need another stamping block for that one. So let's just get that on my block. Ooh. Get it on my block. Is that straight? It'll do for me. And I think I'll have Poppy Parade. Let's just move those out of the way. I'll just better do a practice. I'll just do a practice because I've not used this stamp before. Yay, look at that. Lovely. So, using a tiny little block here. This one is, what block is it? I normally have the letters. Block A. Should have known that. stop chucking it across the room. I've got ink all over it. 1 minute. Slippery little sucker. Okay. For you. So I'm going to just stamp that in that top corner like that. How cute. I love it. And it's even like a cute font as well. Like a chunky fun font. Right, let's have a look. What am I having on here? I think I'm going to have this little guy here and this little North Pole here. Way too much fun. So like I say, you can cut them from the DSP or you can stamp them, colour them and then put them on. So if you get the stamp set, you're never going to run out, are you? Which is a bonus. I'll stick that there. And it's like raised as well. It's got like fluffy flocked bits on, which is cute. Okay. And we'll have this little cheeky fella here, this little Christmas Santa's helper. And we'll put the little helper there. I'm not going to say if he's a boy or a girl because I'll get myself in politically correctness trouble. And then I'm going to have some of the will that fit through? I think it will. And have some of this Poppy Parade woven ribbon. And I shall feed that through there like so. And then hold it at the top there. And then I've got some of this silver and white twine. So let's just cut that. Cut it off. Right, this is where I like start fiddling now and lose my patience. Okay. Okay, come on, don't be naughty. There we go. And then use that to tie my ribbon. Tighten another knot so it don't come undone. Okay. Yep. Spread them over. Give them a trim. I'm going to use my other scissors for that. Ooh, that'll cut them very nicely. I think them scissors must be blunt. I'll rescue it with my stamping snips, which I know are nice and sharp. I do suggest having separate scissors for ribbon and paper. But you know, mine were nice and sharp until I caught my husband like cutting open like a plastic packet of something. I don't know, what were it? We're cutting open. It was like a plug adapter or something that we got. And he was cutting the packaging open with my stamping snips. I was like, no, what you doing? It's like, it's only scissors. They just don't get it, do they, men? No idea what they're talking about. Ruining my snips. Gonna have to get some more now. Anyway, that's my rant done. I'm trying to fasten this pesky bow. Right. Okay, come on. And just give it a trim. Give it a trim. And there we go. There's another one. So, like I say, I'm going to go away with all of my little bits and bobs and my twine and my ribbon and my pre-cut bits. And I'm going to make a load of these. And then I will leave I'll leave the picture over on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Can't even talk straight. So you can see what I've come up with and give them a try. Awesome fun. Get your bits and bobs out and make some cute Christmas tags. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Merry Christmas.